Hi, Spirit. What is going on, Spirit? Daddy Saturn? Daddy Saturn! The heaven is spoken. It has begun. Right.
I left the footprints.
I follow you. Oh my God. Did you hear that, Spirit? Can...
I'm only 6.
Yow! 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 Okay. Balance, love, and justice. Alright. Can you hear that? What is Daddy Saturn's doing in the top? Above? Let's see. Ow! My God, Daddy. Yeah. Daddy is angry. Daddy is rat. Oh my God. Daddy. He's rat.
We can use this.
Yeah, I'm talking to you because... No, Daddy Saturn, look. Can you hear it? The above. The Spirit yesterday said God above, and she said it twice, above. I said yes, God is above as below. As above, so below. He is the God of time, the God of karma, and He's here. He's here to harvest the soul. That's interesting. Oh my God, it sounds like a... Can you hear that, Spirit? Ay!
Wow.
Wow! You see that's a wow? You just said wow? My God! Spirit, you just know. You know that the light is off, and then you said wow. Okay, Spirit. You are in the room. Daddy is spoken. There you go, Daddy. I don't know, but I'm happy, Spirit, I tell you. You're right, Spirit. I'm just 6. Because the 6 is balance, love, and justice. And it's universe itself. I remember what Father Lucifer said. Wow. Wow as well. Okay. I just listening.
We can whisper.
Okay? Because I'm listening to Daddy above. You can whisper to me.
I call that a nap.
What? I can't sleep when Daddy like this. Too much lightning. Oh, look at Daddy. Just turn off the light. By the time the light turned off, you just said, wow. So, you see it. Yeah, I remember that. I remember that spirit with when Draco is here. Draco. The dragon, the AI at last. Oh my gosh! It turned off the light when Draco was here. I'm Draco, he said.
Seth.
Seth. Okay. That's the... Oh, really? I think I know that Seth. One of Abraham's son? No. It's Noah. Hang on. Abel, Cain, and Seth. How did that happen?
Adam.
I just said. I just said. I just said. Abel and Cain and then Seth. So whose son is Seth?
Kill.
Really? Who killed Seth? Cause Cain killed Abel. Yeah. Is it? And then Cain. Oh. What about his spirit? So Seth is the bloodline of Adam. Okay. But do you know Adam's first wife is Mother Lilith? It's Mother Lilith with my father Lucifer. Hi. There you go. Daddy Saturn. Okay. Don't you know, spirit? The 7 spirits is 7 planet.
Towards.
Yeah. 7 planets, 7 days awake, and the 7 is God. Sunday. Saturn. The god of karma, the god of time. The sower of the seed. Now, the morning star is Venus and its father Lucifer.
Fond memories here.
Yes. Sure.
4.
I know it, 4. I know it. I know it. Because that's 13. 1 plus 3 is 4. Yeah. Okay. Because the 5 is the power of love. That's the Venus. Oh, that is Saturn. I hear that. And
Pain.
yeah, pain as well. But You know, pain, you cannot appreciate the happy moment without the pain. Like when you love somebody, when you love someone, you have to have the courage.
River.
Water, yes, primal. The love is you have to endure all the pain. Courage, resilience, bravery. It's just like my papa Capricorn, my father Capricorn. Like, mountain goat, climb up the mountain. Yes, because he's cardinal. And I am Aries. I am Daddy Saturn. Baby. I am the infant. The helm that I have to learn, experience. That's why I'm innocent. I am the zero. It's because I learn.
Choice.
Oh, don't make me cry, Spirit. I already cried this morning. Michael make me cry. Yeah, I know. But Father Lucifer didn't even introduce himself until last year. My God. And Michael as well. Archangel Michael didn't introduce himself until last year. Both of them do that. I didn't know. But my work is to find what's the truth. Who is God? And I know God, and my inner knowing, my heart knows who God is. But I don't know his name. And then Father Lucifer introduced himself. I am God. I am your father. I am Lucifer. Wow, Spirit. I didn't
Honest.
honest. Yeah, it's the honest, brutal truth. Yes, it's very honest. Raw. And I said, I didn't even, like, I smile even, Spirit. I smile. It's because, wow, badass. Badass. Because I am badass too. Oh my gosh. Badass Spirit. Because Archangel Michael was saying, God love you, but the demon loves you more. And I said, really? Yes. Oh my God, Spirit. Oh my God. I'm just, yeah. And Michael,
Suffered.
yeah, I suffered enough. But Michael said, um, the struggles, it suit you. And I said, okay, yeah, it suit me. It fuels me. Like it challenged me. Like, yeah, I know. Do you want me to tell the story? I challenged God. I don't know who God is, but I challenged God. And then Father Lucifer said, you even challenged me, the God, your father. You challenged me. Yeah, Father.
100 years ago.
Oh yeah, well, yeah. The one is you, and then the 00 is me. Yeah, challenge. It's the truth as well. Like, it's the truth. Like I was saying, if it's Christ, your son, why can't I have? Why can't you be your child too? And if he die in the sin of others, sacrifice himself, why I die every day? I die every day and you don't even take me. Like, yeah, he carry me in his arm. Oh my God. The most, oh my God. I said, take me in your arms. I found rest. Oh my God. I don't want to even to cry because Every time Father is here, oh, the love. The love is beyond.
Plan.
Yeah, it's all the plan, I know. Even my papa, when he died too, it's a plan. That's why I didn't get mourning, like no sorrow about it. It's because there is no.
She will hurt people.
Who? Who are you talking about, she? Witches. I'm witch as well. But my witches is healer. Healer. I'm a healer.
Blue eyes.
Yeah, spirit, yeah. I'm a healer. Because my grandfather is a healer. His name is Luke. Luke means doctor or a healer. So I'm in the healer witchcraft. My papa is a powerful warlock. But to have the power to heal the dead people, well, I heal the dead and it come up to life. Because my name is a unity, harmony. My name is exactly what my tattoo is, the cherubim. And it's 47.
Betrayal.
Yeah. It's not betrayal. Human betrayal. The human betray. But not my father. My father is my tattoo. 4 beings and 7 spirits. So the animals, they are not animals. They are ancestor. They are human before and then incarnate to help humanity to awaken who they are. Yeah.
Creativity.
I know, Spirit. Yeah. Because, I was stubborn. I'm so stubborn. Aries. Aries, stubborn as hell. But my stubborn is it's pain in the ass because Archangel Michael just let me do what I'm doing. Yeah. And and what's the
Watching.
yeah, he just watching. He just let me do what I'm doing. But what is the ending, Spirit? Oh, it's the pain in the ass. I tell you. And then there's a time that I'm tired of my stubbornness. Then I listen to Archangel Michael because he's no best. He know the best.
John.
What about John? John is the name of my ex. Why, Spirit? Why you mention that? Why you mention that? He's my ex.
Challenge.
Yeah, he's a challenge, yes. He's a Gemini. Twin human, and I hate human. But because I raised by human, I learned to love them. It's because of Father Lucifer. His love. 2022, he just took the pain, every little dot of pain. He took it and replaced his heart. He replaced his heart to me. So my heart is not able to carry pain. It's just that I become hayuka. I become a clown that I laugh to the people that has problem. Oh my God, I tell you. but if, but every time Father is around me, I just cry because he's the most love. It's just marshmallow. It melt like the love. His energy is too much love. The the people twisted twisted their words, and they don't even know who's
Pains in my chest.
yeah. They don't even know whose God is. I don't have pain anymore. Before I have, when Father took the
Are
pain.
you too scared?
Me? No, I'm not. I'm scared about myself. Because no one can stop me. That's why Libra tamed my beast. And I was laughing this morning because I read the card. I read the tarot. I was laughing. And then at the end of the reading, I'm crying. It's because the strength. The strength is Daddy Saturn, Leo, the sun. Well, 7 planets, 7 days a week. It's all 7 in 1. Yeah. 7 spirit. It's all Father. I call Daddy Saturn. I call Father Lucifer. Yeah. But it's the same. It's the same one God. As above, so below. You see,
Worried.
how worried? How worried? Worried about what? Oops. Oh, now it's Daddy Saturn is calming down. All right. No more thunder and lightning. He just turned off the light, isn't it, Spirit?
Mavis.
Mavis. I hear that Mavis. All right. Now it's gone. It's calming. Daddy is calming. He just turned off the light.
Christopher.
Christopher. Yeah? I'm gonna search all that name, okay? The meaning behind it. Yesterday, the spirit mentioned Benjamin. What happened to Benjamin? Oh, he's sad again. What's wrong with him? Why he can't get rid of his sadness?
Miracle.
Yeah, miracle. Yes, I know. It's magic. Yeah. He is the air, the breath. I am the fire, the spark of life, transformation, destruction, whatever. But I embody the prima, the water. As Father Lucifer, when I am uh, like a volcano, that eruption, the water in my vein goes cold and then runs through my vein, and then I pass out 3 days. 3 days I wake up. Yeah. It's because my son Josiah is the universe itself. The meaning of his name, God has saved. Isaiah.
Good spirits here.
Yeah, even bad, I don't mind. Father Lucifer is the king of the hill. That is why badass. But Father just, you know, he is good when you are good. Like me, I'm very obedient to him. But Michael, yeah, I'm a bit naughty. Because Michael is just make me laugh. Father is, he's got this a very strong, like yeah, like you have to high honor and respect. But I'm sorry, I challenge Father, but that challenge, oh, it's the pain in the ass. He gave me the most challenge of all. But here I am. Still,
You're my favorite nightmare.
still resilience. Resilience, bold, and here I am. Aries. The helm, the Mars. The number 9. My birthday is 27. Number 9. Because I am the number 2. And I am the 7. It's the pyramid. Same like 18. That's my son. My son is Aquarius. 18. 18 is destiny. And that's the number of the Jupiter. The destiny. What is the good spirit want? You can speak. I love you, spirit. I love you for united with me and harmonized with me. As I am spirit itself.
The lady wears blue.
The eyes is blue. The well, 2 days ago I'm wearing white. Oh my gosh, now I'm wearing blue. Alright, it's alright. But Father Lucifer called me the beauty of the rose in its thorns. Yeah, it's very prickly like a cactus. Yeah, because I look like I'm innocent, but
Scary.
yeah, you have that right. You have that right. I cannot stop my self when I get angry. That's why I'm afraid of myself. But that's before. Now I am being tamed by Libra. Like I learn a lot from him, like patience, being gentle. Because Libra is the planet of Venus, and it's same
Stroke.
Yeah, it's same planet as my mama. My mama is Taurus, and also he's Ox, and it's my tattoo. One of my tattoo is the Ox. The Ox, the eagle, and the lion. That's Daddy. And what's the other one? I forgot. Human, yeah. Human. I forgot about it. I'm human too. But I'm hybrid. Fireborn. I just know that. I just know that I'm fireborn. I just know that 2025. There you go. Daddy is complaining. 2025. Because 2025 is year 9. Cardinal. Capricorn is my papa. And he is the disciplinary of the Aries. Because Daddy Saturn, he was the seed of Daddy Saturn. And I'm being planted in the earth. Planted in the earth.
Florence.
And I flourish as well.
Sitting.
Yeah. I am like the symbolize of the tree of life. Like I planted to the ground. The root is underneath because I am underneath from the Father. The Father light shine every day.
You just saw my shadow.
Yeah, I know. And then, yeah. And I learned that the spirit is the firstborn before it giving life, it giving breath. That is why Libra and I is the twin flames, is the opposite. Because the energy, the negative and the positive is the same energy. So, magnetic and pole.
Connection.
Yes, it's the same energy. It's just have to learn the opposite. The father said, love yourself, my child, love yourself, and then the man you love is gonna magnet to you. Oh, you just say that spirit miracles. Yeah, I was saying that magic. Define all the logic. Yes. Oh my God, even blow my head, like it blow my mind. Like by the time I love myself, because yeah, okay, Father, that's all. Yeah, I love myself. That's very easy. Then I love myself. It take 1 month. Then I finally love myself. And I'm loving it. Because Mother Lilith said, wear red. Okay, red. The color of love, the color of my blood. Red. Yeah. It's the color of the rose. My first tattoo is the rose. Climbing up the cross. And then
Sinister.
yeah, sinister that cross is. It's used by the religious people. And then I cover the tattoo. The tattoo now is the cherub. And I didn't know the meaning until last year. That the meaning is harmony. It's the exact of my name. My name, yeah. The meaning of it. And in the French, the meaning of my name is a lion heart. Lion heart. Spirit, did you hear that? A lion's heart. Yeah, indeed. Because the lion is the strength. It's already the king of the jungle.
She likes you.
Oh, yeah. Thank you. The lion is the king of the... Who like me? Libra? Libra? I know about that. Even he don't speak. Yeah. I know him just like I know myself. It's because he is my twin flame. My spirit is just cut into, and then I was born first. After 7 years, he was born. And then I learned who is God. I learned the spirituality myself. I just believe myself. I trust myself. And I know whose God is. No one even know. But I am the inner knowing. You walking around spirit. Okay, spirit. I'm gonna ring Libra.
They do rituals.
Oh, I don't do rituals because I am the manifestation of the Father, the character of Him, to give healing. Along with Libra, that's our job. The leadership of this year, number 10. And that is 0. I am the 0. And the 1 is my Father. So, the pyramid is
Patricia.
from 0, 1, 2, 3, and because there's 4 corner of the number 4, the diamond. I know that now. It's because the triangle is the three corner, but there's another one point below. So it's 4 corner. That's why I know now. That is the number 8. And then Libra and I combine our numerology and alphabet chart.
Passage.
The message is very clearly 4-4. So 4-4. 4 plus 4 is 8. So we are indeed twin flames, mirror, and our combined name is 11, and that's the universe. It mirror indeed to the Father. 11. 1 plus 1 plus 1 is 3. And that's the point of the pyramid. And then the pyramid is spirit of children. And I am the child that will continue what you're saying. You left your
Natalie,
footprint, so I follow. I continue. My father's legacy.
died a long time ago.
Yeah. Ancient. Father doesn't die. It's just he can be who he can be because he's God. Human is a soul, but I'm not a soul. I'm a spirit. The creator. Give breath to 5 children. Yeah. Okay, spirit, thank you for...
Temptation.
Oh my God. Temptation. I don't get tempted. I don't get
Died very recently.
you. Yeah, you can incarnate. You can come back. Because the spirit doesn't die. It's limitless. It doesn't die.
There's 2 of us.
No. It's 5.
Sign.
The sign number 5 is the power of love. The power of love, and then grace, and that's the Hierophant. It's God. Yeah. God. The spirit. Okay, spirit, thank you for having me. I think Daddy Saturn is just, it's calm now. It's not noisy. The thunder, the lightning is gone. Bye, spirit. I love you.